The Heʻeia boat harbor is a nice one. You can get there if you leave Kāneʻohe and you drive north on Kamehameha Highway. I am sure you can jump on a fishing boat and go out and, you know, catch a fish or so. But another thing people are doing, I think, from this place is they go out to the sandbars. It's a wild assumption, but it looks like you could. I will find out. It's definitely an active harbor area. People are coming all the time because they signed up for a tour to somewhere. And even if you don't go out to the sandbars, you can still have a nice day out in the ocean. I see a sign, they say that they go out to the sandbars. You can take private tours. I'm not sure how much it will cost though, but it's definitely fun. It's a popular thing, super popular. But I don't have time to go out there today, so I have to do it another time. Well, let's go all the way out to the end of this harbor area. The boats are small, and that's what you need, because you can't bring a big boat out to the sand out there because they will get stuck. But I think this is a typical setup. A little boat full of happy people.
Where are you?
The water is somewhat clear. It's not perfect, but it's okay. And if you go closer to land, the water is brown. And that's because there are many streams coming from the mountain range. But as soon as you leave the harbor area, it will be much better. The water is extremely shallow out in the bay. But that's the reason it's so fun to go out there. It's wild. And they are talking about sea turtles out on the yellow sign. You need to be careful so you don't run them over. Oh, they are selling beer. In case you're thirsty.
They're freaking. The Calvi is always so much.
And the regular stuff, sodas, energy drinks, and they are selling fishing poles. Okay. I asked around for more information regarding the sandbars, and they told me that they don't go out on Sundays unless you know somebody. And they also want a certain number of people, otherwise they cancel the tour. I found a place where I could park, because what I like to do is to go down closer to the water and take a look at the newly restored, I think, fish pond. It's named Paepae. It's an ancient fish pond. And you know, if you don't fix them, they break down over time. You might be able to see the structure out in the water. So the big question is, how do I get down there? I don't know. I think I need to go back where I came in. They say this is the shoreline trail. Okay. I am 100 feet from the highway, and I think they are right. This is what I'm looking for. Let's try it. We can't skip it. We need to take a chance. It's a great place. My goodness. And it's so close to Kāneʻohe. People don't know about this. This is a hidden place right in front of us. And I think what I will do is to continue. I believe them. This is the shoreline trail. And I can't wait to be out there. I want to see what they built hundreds of years ago. This is definitely one of the highlights today. And it's so big. I mean, if you think on it, there are many fish ponds on this island. And this is one of the absolute biggest ones, I think. There is one next to Kualoa Ranch, but you can't see it. It's on private land and all that stuff, so you can't go down. But this one, you can go out to, I hope. Let's see what's happening. Why would they spend efforts restoring this one if you can't see it? This is nice. Water is streaming out from that gateway or door or whatever you call it. It's an opening in the wall, basically. That's what it is. And I hope we have the opportunity at some point to walk out on it, to check it out more in detail. That would be nice. The trail is disappearing in between this grass. Is this correct? Am I completely lost? I'm back by the highway. That can't be right. I want to be out there. How do you get out there? Big question. What's the secret? There must be a way out. I had to stop and check it out But according to what I read, there is no access to this one. It's a typical Hawaiian thing. They fix stuff, but they don't give you access to it. It lives in somebody's memory, I think. And all I can do is to view it from the highway. But it's true, it's big. I mean, it's really big. It's super big. I'm crossing over. Maybe I can at least get a better view from another location. But they closed it off well, so I'm not too optimistic. I am out on this bridge looking at the pond, and on the other side is a swampland. And this is the best I can do. And what I don't understand is, why do they have so much tarp and plastic all over the place? It looks trashy. The same is out there. I mean, the entire outer wall is covered in tarp. That is weird. Guys, why are you using so much tarp for nothing? Yeah, this is Hawaii, my friends. I'm sure this is a 100% sacred place, covered in tarp. All right, that's too bad. I mean, I don't know what to say. 100 years ago, it would have been a much nicer place. Just below the park is another area that brings you closer to the pond itself. And I can imagine they had hundreds of people working on this, because it's a big project to create a fish pond. I mean, it probably took decades, maybe longer, maybe hundreds of years to finish up what we are looking at today. And there is another place on the other side, and I will try to get over there, because when I walk the trail, it doesn't show you anything. Basically, you're behind trees or grass or on this boring bridge. It doesn't do anything for you. But anyway, you get it. I mean, this is wild. I came closer, at least. I went to the other side and I found a small way down to the beach, and we are pretty much by the wall right now. I think maybe the guardian of the fish pond stayed in that hut. And as far as I can tell, this is the way out. I'm not going to go all the way out because I wasted my time on the other side, which is, you know, silly to do because there is absolutely no access. But I will stop before the private property sign. Everything is private in Hawaii, but you get it. I finally made it, at least to the beginning of this fish pond. It's getting late in the afternoon and I think I'm done for today. I ended up in Kailua, and if you continue out this road you will be in Lanikai. But I will go and grab a coffee at this market, the Paepae market. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.